Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best security camera to buy on Amazon in 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you want a complete wired system for full home coverage, a wireless outdoor camera with smart tracking, or a solar-powered option with no subscription fees, choosing the right security camera can make a huge difference in protecting your home and property. In today's video, we've selected the top 5 best security cameras available on Amazon. We'll cover the key features, video quality, smart detection, storage options, and what makes each model stand out. You'll find links to all of these security cameras in the description below. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1, REOLINK 16CH 12MP PoE Security Camera System with 4TB HDD. Starting our list is the REOLINK 16CH 12MP PoE Security Camera System, a powerful all-in-one solution for homeowners who want serious security coverage. This system includes 8 H.265 12MP PoE cameras and a 16-channel NVR with a 4TB hard drive, giving you plenty of storage for continuous recording. The 12MP resolution delivers sharp, detailed footage, while person, vehicle, and pet detection helps reduce false alerts and keeps notifications relevant. It also features two-way talk, spotlights, and color night vision, making it easier to monitor activity both day and night. If you want a reliable wired security system with excellent image quality and strong storage capacity, this is a standout choice. Pros: 8 included 12MP PoE cameras, 16-channel NVR with 4TB HDD, person, vehicle, and pet detection, two-way talk support, spotlights with color night vision, excellent for full home surveillance. Number 2, REOLINK Duo 3 PoE 16MP UHD Dual-Lens Security Camera. The REOLINK Duo 3 PoE is a premium dual-lens security camera designed for wide area coverage and ultra-clear video. With 16MP UHD resolution and a 180-degree panoramic view, this camera captures a massive field of vision, reducing blind spots around your property. Motion tracking helps follow movement more effectively, while the f1.6 color night vision ensures better visibility in low-light conditions. It also supports person, vehicle, and animal detection, two-way talk, and 24/7 recording, making it a powerful option for driveways, yards, and large outdoor spaces. Pros: 16MP UHD dual-lens camera, 180-degree panoramic field of view, motion tracking feature, f1.6 color night vision, person, vehicle, and animal detection, supports 24/7 recording. Number 3, CAMCAMP Wireless Security System Outdoor. The CAMCAMP Wireless Security System is a great option for users who want a flexible outdoor setup without the complexity of a fully wired installation. This system includes 8 plug-in powered cameras with smart auto-tracking pan and tilt functionality, allowing the cameras to follow movement automatically. The 1080p resolution provides clear everyday monitoring, while the 16-channel NVR with a 500GB hard drive gives you local storage with no monthly fee. It also includes color night vision and two-way talk, making it a practical and affordable choice for families who want dependable home security with easy access to live monitoring and recordings. Pros: 8-camera wireless outdoor system, smart auto-tracking pan and tilt, 1080p video resolution, 16-channel NVR with 500GB storage, no monthly fee, color night vision, and two-way talk. Number 4, SOLIOM Wireless Outdoor Security Cameras. The SOLIOM Wireless Outdoor Security Cameras are built for homeowners who want a modern, subscription-free security solution with solar power convenience. These cameras deliver 4K Ultra HD video for both day and night monitoring, giving you crisp footage and better detail when reviewing events. The built-in radar improves motion detection accuracy, while the 360-degree pan and tilt auto tracking helps cover more of your property. With support for both 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, solar-powered operation, and no subscription required, this 2-camera kit is ideal for users who want a low-maintenance security setup with advanced features. Pros: 4K Ultra HD video quality, no subscription required, built-in radar for smarter detection, solar-powered cameras, 360-degree pan and tilt auto tracking, dual-band 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi. Number 5, REOLINK 5MP 8CH Home Security Camera System with 2TB HDD. Taking the top spot is the REOLINK 5MP 8CH Home Security Camera System, a dependable wired security solution that offers excellent value and reliable performance. This system includes 4 wired 5MP PoE IP cameras and an 8-channel NVR with 2TB HDD, giving you solid storage for 24/7 recording, and the person, pet, and vehicle detection features help keep alerts accurate, while the 4K NVR support adds flexibility for future expansion and playback quality. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable, and affordable home security system with continuous recording and smart detection, this is one of the best options on the list. Pros: 4 included 5MP wired PoE cameras, 8-channel NVR with 2TB HDD, person, pet, and vehicle detection, supports 24/7 recording, reliable wired connection, great value for home security. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best security cameras on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall security system, the REOLINK 16CH 12MP PoE security camera system stands out with its high-resolution cameras, large storage capacity, and advanced detection features. The REOLINK Duo 3 PoE is an excellent choice if you want ultra-wide panoramic coverage and premium image quality. The CAMCAMP wireless security system is a strong pick for users who want a flexible outdoor setup with no monthly fee. The SOLIOM wireless outdoor cameras are ideal if you want solar-powered convenience, 4K video, and subscription-free security. And if you're looking for a reliable wired system with great value, the REOLINK 5MP 8CH home security camera system is a solid option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. We'll see you in the next video.